In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Elementor for mobile devices. As we all know, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly isn't just a good practice. It's essential for providing a seamless user experience. With a few simple steps in Elementor, you can enhance the mobile version of your site to make it just as engaging and functional as the desktop version. So, let's dive right in. To begin, let's talk about how you can adjust your design per device. Elementor makes it incredibly easy to adapt sections or widgets for different screens. First, you'll want to click on any section or widget you wish to modify. Look for the small device icon next to settings like padding and margin, font size and alignment, or even column width and order. By clicking on this icon, you can see and adjust how these elements appear on mobile, tablet, and desktop individually. As you switch views using the toolbar at the bottom of the Elementor interface, you'll see changes in real time. This approach ensures that your layout looks great on every device. Behind the scenes, Elementor applies styles based on media queries, tailoring your design exactly as needed for each screen size. Now, let's move on to managing which elements are visible on different devices. This strategy is crucial to maintain a clutter-free and streamlined browsing experience. Begin by selecting the widget or section you wish to review. Navigate to the Advanced tab and then to the Responsive section. Here, you'll find options to hide specific elements on desktop, tablet, or mobile views. This feature is particularly useful for elements such as large sliders, extensive text blocks, or complex layouts that may not translate well to smaller screens. By selectively hiding these elements on mobile or tablet views, you can ensure your viewers have the best possible experience without unnecessary distractions. Remember, optimizing for mobile doesn't mean just shrinking everything down. It's about being thoughtful with your design choices to offer the best user experience on all devices. Keep in mind the context in which many people will be viewing your content, frequently on the go, where simplicity and readability are key. By utilizing these strategies, you'll ensure your website is responsive and visually appealing on any screen size. Every change you make keeps the user in mind, which is the ultimate goal of a user-friendly design. So take advantage of these features in Elementor and give your visitors the best experience possible, no matter where they're coming from. That's it for today's video on optimizing Elementor for mobile. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.